Happy video day, guys. So today's video we're going to be jumping into Boxycharm, and of course I don't have anything on my face because we need to try on a few of these products and some of them require no makeup. So I obviously have a pretty plain background today, and that is because one of the items in here is pretty standalone on its own. It was hard for me to think of what wouldn't clash with one of the items that we got inside of this box. And those of you who already got the box probably know what item I'm talking about. I did get my Boxycharm pretty late this month, but it finally is here, and here it is. So we're gonna go ahead and dive into this box. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think this was the best box. And if you guys are still interested in seeing what's in the box after that little disclaimer, let's jump into the box. Alright guys, so here's my Boxycharm, and let's go inside. Of course, like always, we get this little slip. It says Boxycharm on the front. It does have some coupons on the back if you guys want to use any of those coupons. And then, of course, in the inside, it has all the information and stuff that you got, yada, yada, yada. So the theme of this box is Live It Up. Is it Live It Up, or what is it called? Boxycharm, oh, Life's a Party. Life of the Party is the theme of this month. And that's because Laura Lee, which is a YouTuber here on YouTube, one of her palettes is actually in this box, and it's called Party Animal, so that is probably why this is the theme. Let's go ahead and let's jump into the box. You guys always ask me this, so I want to let you guys know that I got box number 1. If you guys see right here, I have a little 1 in the corner, so I got the variation 1. I will tell you guys that I think that this month was like, it was like Life of the Party, but it should have been called like Boxy Mess, because I really feel like everybody got something different, and it was kind of just like, well, let's throw a few things in here, let's throw a few things in here. I just feel like this one was just so like, I don't know. Like, I was looking at the sneak peeks and I was like, well, I could get that, but I might not get that, but I wanted that, but I probably won't get that. I'm not used to really not knowing at all like what I'm gonna get. Usually there's like 1 or 2 surprises, and this one I feel like there was like 500 surprises. So the first thing I'm going to jump into in here is this, because I need to put this on first. This is from Wander Beauty. It's from Wander Beauty. It's called Baggage Claim Gold Eye Mask. It says, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? These gold foil under eye masks brighten, hydrate, and reduce the appearance of dark circles. And it retails for $13. So it looks like this. They look like little gold eye masks. Actually, it's not even that moist in here. Like, there is some liquid inside of here, but it's like not super moist, so that's good. So now, which way does this go? I'm assuming. So I have dark circles. Okay. So this is what we look like, and I don't know, how long am I supposed to wear this for? Let's see. So from 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put a timer on, and then I'll come back to you guys in 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll let you guys know if this did anything. I will say it looks pretty. If you're gonna have to go out in public with eye masks on, these would be the type that I would like to wear. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and remove these masks. Let's see, what do I think? I mean, I will tell you that my under eyes feel super moisturized right now. I don't know if it did anything for like the dark circles, but I think like these type of products, you need to use them multiple times to like really see results. But I will tell you that my under eyes feel very, very smooth. It's a little bit tacky now that I took off the rest of the product, but I don't know. They seem okay. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and put on my foundation and the rest of my makeup, because there's none of those products in here, and then we'll jump into the rest of the box. So foundation and eyebrows are on. Now, I did not put my concealer on because I do have a palette in here that we're going to be working with, and it could be messy, it could not be messy, and because of that I leave my concealer for last because I like to clean off any mess that I get. So let's jump into the palette, because that is what we got here. We have the Party Animal palette from Laura Lee Los Angeles. I knew I was going to be getting this one, and I was kind of like, I mean, like, I'm not extremely excited with the colors in here because they are all neons. As you can see, they're complete neon colors. And yeah, I'm not really thrilled with these colors, to be honest. But it was kind of like one of those things that I was kind of like, ugh, those colors are so neon. And I love colorful palettes. It's just very neon. Now I will tell you, I'm already starting my trend finder for fall, and I will tell you guys, neon showed up in a lot of runways for fall. So I'm assuming that means that you guys are going to be seeing a lot of color, including neon colors in the fall. So could this be a useful palette? Now I'm starting to think yes, it probably could be a useful palette because of the neon trend that I see is coming this fall. So for that reason, I have kind of changed my mind a little bit, and I'm a little bit more excited for it. Now, my mother, on the other hand, was not. She gave me her Laura Lee Los Angeles palette because she said, no, 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 I would not wear that. So I have mine and I have hers. And hers I actually just finished putting into the back to school giveaway that if you guys have not entered in already, go ahead and enter it below, because the second winner will win this palette, but the first winner is winning a Morphe 350, and there's a lot of really good stuff in that giveaway, so jump to that giveaway video so you guys can enter in the giveaway. So this is the palette. Now, I've been seeing a lot of people trying this palette on its own, and let's be honest, this is not a palette that you wear on its own. It's just not gonna give it any help. It's just gonna kind of like destroy the palette, and most people are gonna say, I would never wear that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be mixing this the way that you probably should be wearing it, and that is with another palette. And I'm gonna be using the Pure Soiree Diaries. This is another palette that you guys got in your Boxycharm. So if you guys have Boxycharm, you guys should have both of these palettes if you were subscribed at the time that this one came through. So we'll put both of these together, and then we'll actually make a look that is somewhat wearable. At least, I don't really know. I've never played with this palette. Hopefully it's wearable. So what I'm gonna do is I will go ahead and fast forward you through me using this palette so you guys can see the steps that I'm gonna do, but I won't make it like a super long thing. And then we'll jump into the Laura Lee Los Angeles one. There we go, we've got our base on, and this is basically the eye look, but we're gonna use now the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette for what I think that you guys would probably be able to use it for the most. And this is what the palette looks like. This is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. And actually it says eyeshadow, but it's actually a pigment palette. That's what it really is. So it says that this is the Laura Lee Los Angeles Party Animal eyeshadow palette. These 6 stunning shades create bold, colorful looks, leaving you ready for a night out of fun, and it retails for $19. Now, how am I gonna do this? What am I gonna do? Should I do orange or should I do... Okay. So I'm gonna use this like a liner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wet a brush. I'm gonna wet this Makeup Forever liner brush. I'm gonna start with bottoms up. Wow, this is so powdery. I think it's powdery because there's a lot of like loose glitter in it. Now I'm gonna jump into Hungover. Okay, we kind of got that one going. That took a little longer than I thought it was gonna take. Let's go on to the other eye, and I'm gonna mimic the same exact thing. So here we go. Then I go over it. Look how much fallout I just got on my eye. This palette has so much fallout on your eyes. It's crazy. You definitely get a lot of fallout. So I would tell you guys to either do your face last, or like I did, do your concealer last, because you get so much fallout. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on my concealer, and then we'll do something with the lower lash line. But this is what we got going so far. Did you guys just see that? Holy, wow, okay. thank God for concealer and makeup wipes, because that could have been a disaster. That was a lot more fallout than I was expecting. I'm just gonna set my under eyes and let it bake for a few minutes, and then we'll jump over to finishing up the eye. I hope that the rest of these shadows don't have as much fallout, and I feel like I'm using all the real hard colors to make that are kind of showing their imperfections to me. I'm gonna use the orange here. I'm gonna use this Dranks. These colors are hilarious. And I'm gonna put that on my lower lash line. So that's what we have going. I'm just gonna smoke out the orange a little bit bigger under my eyes. And there we go. I'm gonna go ahead and put on some mascara, and then I'll let you guys know what I'm thinking of the palette. So let's go ahead and let's move on, and I'll let you guys know what I think about the eyeshadow palette in a few minutes. So I will tell you, I struggled a little bit with that eyeshadow palette to get the pigmentation where I wanted it to go, but we did come up with this look. I do think it's a fun look, and it is something wearable. Yes, it is vibrant. Yes, it is a little bit out there, but it is wearable. Now let's jump into another product that we have in here. So the next product that we have in here is actually this. So we got lashes, and you guys know what a huge fan I am of lashes. No, I don't like wearing fake eyelashes. From House of Lashes. I've heard of House of Lashes before. It says to add length and dimension to your makeup look with these new favorite lashes, cruelty-free, high quality, and they retail from anywhere from $9 to $12. Featherette. So I got Featherette. Let me look at them. They look kind of big, so I don't usually wear fake eyelashes. So for that reason, I'm gonna go ahead and not put these on. I'm gonna go ahead and save these for a giveaway because I'm not gonna wear them, so it's better for me to save them for a giveaway and give them to you guys because I just don't wear fake eyelashes. So let's move on. So another thing that we got in here is from Bang Beauty, and it looks like this. And all right, so this is from Bang Beauty, and what it is a chocolate eyeliner. Uses eyeliner as an eyeshadow base or even as a touch-up for your brows, and it retails for $22. So I'm gonna be honest with you guys about this one too. I don't use chocolate eyeliner, and especially gel type. I don't know, this just doesn't look like it would be my style, and a lot of people do say it's very moussey. I don't like that moussey feel. I like it more to be like a strong liquid. So I am also going to be throwing this into my stack of giveaway items. I figure I just shouldn't use things just to use them. I just know I'm not gonna like this, and plus I already did like kind of like an eyeliner. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this into a giveaway that I'll be preparing for the future. So let's move on. So this is something I can use. This is from ADESSE, New York. It's an organic age-defying nail treatment. So this is what it looks like. I wouldn't mind seeing nail products, so it looks like this. The Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. Treat yourself with the nails and cuticles after a night out. These lightweight, non-greasy oil formulated with vitamin E. So it retails for $18, and it's like a nail oil treatment. So that is interesting. Let's go ahead and try it on my nails. Okay, that feels nice. I mean, like, obviously, I don't know what the difference between this and just normal oils for your nails are. It's $18, but it feels really nice. So as a treatment for your nails, I do like the way it feels. That actually feels like it could be good. I don't really know. I'm not into like nail stuff. Ooh, and I love the smell. It smells like a soft smell, but like one of those soft smells that's like those soft like smells. I like this smell. This smell really, I like the smell. And then the last product that we got in here is from SMASHBOX. So everybody got a variation of a SMASHBOX lip product, and I got the Always On Liquid Lip, which is good. I'm happy that I got a liquid lip. It's a different color. It's kind of like a browned tone, so that's actually kind of good for fall. And it's Create Bold Beautiful Lips with your new SMASHBOX lip color, and it retails anywhere from $21 to $24. All right, guys, so my color is very dark. Ooh. So let's go ahead and put this on because this is going to be a dark color. Let's see. I'm just going to go like, oh yeah. All right, I'm going to put this on. All right, guys, there's my color. That's a dark liquid lip. It's a really pretty dark brownish kind of color. It's a color I don't own, so I do enjoy that. It is something that I probably wouldn't have bought, so I do like that. It's actually a really pretty formula. It feels really nice on my lip. I do think it's gonna dry down pretty nice. So yeah, I kind of like this one. I like this one a lot. Guys, so let me zoom you guys out. Let me give you guys my final thoughts on this box. All right, guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my final thoughts on the box. So the first thing I'm gonna talk to you guys about is the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, this Party Animal palette. I have to be completely honest with you guys. I feel like the pigmentation in some of these colors is like not that great, especially like the purples and the pinks. I just really thought that the purple and the pink were going to be more like when you would wet them with a brush, that they would go on and like glide on and you can use them really good as like an eyeliner. But I do feel like I struggled a lot to get them like pigmented, and as an eyeliner, I feel like I have other palettes that I could do that better with. Now, some of these other colors, I didn't touch any of the blues, and I didn't touch this neon green, whatever. And I do feel like swatch-wise, they did feel like they swatched good. So I'm optimistic that those are going to work a little bit better. So in the Boxycharm, or if you're getting this in the giveaway that I'm doing, I do think it's a good palette to have. I think it's fun. I don't think it's the most amazing quality. I think it's okay. So I feel like you can do some fun eye looks with it, but I wouldn't go out and buy it. It's not that great. It's okay. It's whatever, and the colors are like whatever. But I do think for now, for the holiday, that they are saying that neons are going to be kind of in. They would work really good as a lower lash line. I do think all of these would work good on the lower lash line. It's just to do an actual eyeliner, they're a little bit difficult. The Smashbox lip product, I do love this lip product a lot. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I don't love the color, like the brown, dark brown color is not really a color that I would typically wear, but I do think it's actually pretty, and I like the way it looks. So would I be wearing it again? I'm sure I will. I think I'm gonna enjoy having fun with that. For the Wander Beauty under eye mask, I actually do think that these might work, because I do feel like my under eyes feel very moist, like moisturized, and they look really like more awake than they did prior. I don't know. It could be in my mind. It could be all the loads of concealer that I had to put on because of the Laura Lee Los Angeles fallout that came out on my face. I don't know. But I do think that this product actually might have worked good. So I'm excited to keep using these. And I am going to throw a few of these into a future giveaway because my mom actually gave me all of hers. So I'm not going to do a giveaway in this actual video just because I have 2 giveaways going on right now. You guys can check both of them out in my description box. So I'm not going to do a third, but I am saving some of those for future giveaways. ADESSE nail oil. I actually like this. I love the way that it smells. I think that it might actually work out pretty good. I don't really see any fast results because I don't think you're supposed to, but I do think it smells really good, and I like the way the oil felt on my nails. So hopefully this will be a good product. So this House of Lashes eyelashes, I do know a lot of people like House of Lashes eyelashes. So if you did get these and you do love them, you'll probably like them. Like I said before, don't use fake eyelashes. So to me, it's just a waste. I'm going to save this one for a future giveaway because I do know some of you guys love eyelashes. Now, there was a Becca priming filters. There was like few Becca products that were going to be in this box, and I'm so jealous of whoever got the primers because that is what I really wanted. I was like, please don't give me the lashes, just give me the primers, and this is what I got. And there was 3 different primers you could have gotten, and I got lashes. So this eyeliner from Bang Beauty, I personally, from looking at it and actually seeing other people have tried this on, I feel like this will work better for your eyebrows as a pomade. This color would be way too light for me for a pomade. I don't think I would like this as an eyeliner. As an eyeshadow base, it might work out. That's why I'm also throwing this one into a future giveaway, because I just don't feel like I am going to get use out of it. So needless to say, I personally did not think that this was the best box. I do think it was nice that we got the Laura Lee Los Angeles palette, even though it's not my favorite palette. I do think I'll get some use out of it, especially if neons do come in like they're saying for the fall. And there is some good products in here. I just think some people got better boxes than mine, especially if they got the Becca primers. So it was not my favorite box. I kind of think it was like, nah. Lately I've liked my Boxycharms, but this one I just don't think it was that good. That's my thoughts on this box. If you guys got this box, what did you guys get below? Do you guys feel like I did? And let me know below. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me your thumbs up. Leave me your comments below. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!